meMiner here. Goodness, days are getting shorter. So hopefully it's not too dark out because I want to show you a rock I picked up metal detecting outside of Cobalt, Ontario. Weighs about 3 pounds. It's almost a solid ore, but I can see there, green stain, nickeline. Flip it over. A little more green in there, nickeline. But on this, I did see silver in a few places poking out, like right here. And the white, of course, is calcite. Let's look at it wet. Sometimes the minerals show better with a bit of moisture on them. You can certainly see the silver. Just I can. There's silver up in there. Look at that. Just shiny. Shiny. This stuff won't shine, so there's an arsenide in there. I also noticed the rock is a bit cracked. There's a crack that runs up through here. Normally I'd slice something like this, but I think if I slice across that crack, the rock's just going to fall apart on me anyway. And I'm wondering, maybe it's being held together by silver? So let's just give it a few whacks with a hammer and see what happens. Should wear some glasses. But I am using a rock hammer. Just look away a bit. There we go. Little pieces fell off. And look at that. It's kind of that gray inside. Any more cracks? This one up here is cracked. Let's give her a shot. And she broke. Not being held together by silver. Not a great rock. At least now I know.